Today's quick tip from Chef Dean is how to remove your seeds from your pomegranate. First, cut into the top of the pomegranate and then flip it over and cut off the bottom. Next, score the outer skin of the pomegranate where the white internal membrane meets the outer red shell. Don't score too deeply, just enough to break the skin. Next, in a bowl full of cold water, crack open your pomegranate and remove the seeds from the white husk. Remember, or notice, the seeds will sink to the bottom and the white husk will float to the top. After you have removed the seeds from the white husk, strain your pomegranate and then enjoy.